Welcome to our school, the MathHub Mathematics in Statuna Sandy. In today's tutorial, toda kutarisa the applications of differentiation kana tichiconsider the gradient of curves. That is what we want to focus on. So let us get to our questions. Toda tanga taadressa question number 1 kana kuti example 1. Example 1 iri kuti calculate the gradient of the tangent to the curve y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 at the point minus 2, 3. So zvatinoita panapa madzangu ndeizvi. Tanzi calculate the gradient of the tangent to the curve. Curve racho taripiwa kuti ndi y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Ndova zvanzi at the point yacho ndiani ndi minus 2, 3 like that. So dautanga ndakurangaridzai something else. If you remember when we did differentiation takati if y and it is equal to a certain function, the function of x, kana tichiti dy dx kana kuti f prime of x, this is of course dy dx ndiyo notation yechi differentiation. Of course amwe mabhuku anenge akadai so delta y delta x, amwe wanenge achiti delta y delta x, zvinosiyana ndi zvese zvatanyora panapa inonzi chi gradient function. Answer yatinowana after tadifferentiator is called a gradient function. Saka in essence kudifferentiator a point on a curve zvinotipa the gradient of that curve on that particular point. When we were first introduced to gradient, takaudzwa kuti gradient is the change in y with respect to a change in x. Is the rate of change between y and x. But magradients ataidzidza ichi magradients ema straight lines. Ataiudzwa kuti the gradient panapa is constant. Andika? Ndokuzoudzwa kuti the gradient of a curve changes. Gradient re curve pa point inoi point A rakasiyana ni gradient re curve pa point B, zvosiyana ni gradient re curve pa point C. Tikaintroduced to the concept of a tangent, which is a line inobata a point at one particular, a line nanzvana kana kugumana ni curve at one particular point. Saka endo anenge ari magradients acho. Ndokuudzwa iri noenda kudhura zvakanaka ringe rakadai. Yeah. Ndokuudzwa kuti tikatsvaka the gradient of a tangent tinenge taestimate the gradient of a curve at that particular point. So this is just a rough summary of what you should know before you can answer that question. Calculate the gradient of the tangent to the curve y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 at the point minus 2, 3. Saka tinoda kutanga tatsvaka the gradient function. Kureva kuti tinoda kutanga tadifferentiate that curve. Tikadifferentiate that curve tinobva tawana a gradient function. Then I will tell you zvatinoita kumberi. So given that y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, this means dy dx is equal to chi. We are differentiating a simple algebraic expression to know differentiate a term by term. Sakapo, it's simply 6x minus 5. That is the gradient function. That's the derivative. But tanzi at the point minus 2, 3. Kureva iko kuti tingeta kunyora pana about at the point minus 2, 3. And it calculate the gradient of the tangent. Gradient of tangent is actually equal to chi. Tino substitute x uyu na minus 2. Yova 6 times minus 2 minus 5, which eventualizes to minus 12 minus 5, which is equal to minus 17. That's our answer. Let me tone down a little and explain. Saka kana tapiwa a curve and a point, tonzi titsvage the gradient of the tangent of a curve at that particular point. Tinotanga tadifferentiata the curve function kuti tiwane gradient function. Then kana tawana gradient function kana kuti derivative, muderivative imomo ndo matinozodi substitute the value of x. Tati minus 2 because we know kuti this is x, y. Ta substitute the value of x inside the gradient function. Numerical answer yatinowana ndiyo the gradient of the tangent. Kana mchiunderstanda zvandazama ku illustrator kuside kunoku, munofangwa this should actually make sense to you. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Otherwise, let us go to the second part of our tutorial, which is example 2. Now, example 2 iri kuti chi. Kwanzi find the coordinates of the point of the curve. Curve racho ndi y is equal to x cubed minus 7 over 2 x squared plus x, at which the gradient is minus 1. Saka gradient is equal to minus 1. Saka this is reverse operation. Example 2 iri ku reverse zvataita pa example 1. Pa example 1 tapiwa a curve and a point, tikanzi titsvage gradient of a tangent. But pa example 2 tapiwa a curve and the gradient, tikanzi titsvage the coordinates of the point on the curve. So how are we going to find the coordinates of the point on the curve? Tichatanga nekutsvaga the gradient function. Tichatanga nekudifferentiata. Saka pano dy dx inenge iri equal to 3x squared, apo it's minus 7 over 2 multiplying 2x to the power 1, then up it's just plus 1. And then we already see kuti ma2 ari kuchekana. This is actually equal to 3x squared minus 7x plus 1. That is the gradient function. Tawana the gradient function, tatoudzwa kuti gradient is equal to minus 1. Saka tinogona waya panapa toti gradient is equal to minus 1. That is gradient racho ndiani ndi 3x squared minus 7x plus 1 ndiyo iri equal to chi? To minus 1. Saka statement tikada kumathematize statement rakanzi gradient is equal to minus 1. Gradient yacho gradient function 3x squared minus 7x plus 1 ndiyo iri equal to minus 1. Okay, let us continue this. So how best are we going to continue that? Of course, minus 1 inoya kunoku because tataona kuti tine chi? Tataona kuti tine a quadratic situation. So it's 3x squared minus 7x plus 1. Minus 1 ikaenda kunosvika futi iri plus 1 is equal to 0. Saka 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. Yakanyorwa in the correct format, ax squared plus bx plus c. Kureva kuti tatanga na x squared tikazonyora ina x tikapesera neye number. Kureva kuti we can multiply the first and the last. 3x squared times 2 is 6x squared. We need factors of 6x squared such that tikama multiply anotipa 6x squared, tikama add otipa minus 7x. Saka panapa if we deal with 6x na x but are ma negatives, minus 6x minus x ndi minus 7x, minus 6x times minus x ndi 6x squared. So 3x squared minus 6x minus x plus 2 is 0. If we bracket things like this, we factor out 3x panosara paina x minus 2 handedika because 3x minus 2 ndi minus 6x panapa tika factor out minus 1 inoita kuti chi x minus 2 because minus 1 times minus 2 ndiyo 2 is equals to 0 zvinoreva izvo kuti 3x minus 1 x minus 2 is equal to 0 saka x inge iri equal to 1/3 or 2. That's what x is equal to. And saka x zvari equal to 1/3 or 2 isusu tanzi titsvage coordinates. We know that my coordinates ane an x component and a y component. Saka tatowana ma x axis takuda ma y kana kuti ma corresponding y axis. Saka kuti tiwane ma y tenge takungoti when x is equal to 1/3 and totora the original function y is equal to replace apana x na 1/3 saka y inge iri equal to 1/3 cubed minus 7/2 multiplying 1/3 squared plus 1/3 like that. Saka maona kuti when x is equal to 1/3 y inge iri equal to pana x to substitute na 1/3. So this is 1/3 to the power 3, 1 to the power 3 ndi 1 and 3 to the power 3 ndi 1. 3 times 3 ndi 9, 9 times 3 9 18 27. Be careful panapa msanyora 9. So this is minus 7/2 which is multiplying 1 squared into 1, 3 squared into 9 plus 1/3. So this is 1/27 minus 7 times 1, that's minus 7, 9 times 2 18 plus 1/3. So we can actually employ a calculator panapa. We are allowed to do that to save on time and to not overcompensate our energy. Vakuru vanoti musawanza mbambo pachitewe cheshindi. Okay, saka ndiri kuzvinyora pacalculator as it is kuti ingondipa an answer. My calculator is a scientific calculator kuroti it can give me a fraction. Answer yandiri kuwana panapa it's minus 1/54. Then panototi when x is equal to 2. Kana x are equal to 2, y anenge ari equal to chi? Y anenge ari equal to 2 cubed minus 7/2 multiplying 2 squared plus 2. Let me just put this in my calculator as it is. 2 times 24, 4 times 28 minus 7/2, but this is multiplying 4. Then it's plus 2. We get minus 4 like that. Saka teta kungoti therefore the coordinates are x pari 1/3 y anenge ari minus 1/54 and x paari 2 y anenge ari minus 4. Saka yando ma coordinates ema points on the curve where the gradient is equal to minus 1. So that is how it is done. I hope you understood. You have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us on our WhatsApp or on our numbers. This is an invitation to all those who want to join our school, the Math Hub Mathematics in Statu Nasendi. In Statu, mathematics in Statu Nasendi means mathematics in the process, cannot state of invention. We teach O-level maths, we teach A-level mathematics, and other variants. We teach SIMSEC, Cambridge, Metric, and other syllabuses. If you want to join us, WhatsApp us on that number appearing there, +26371521331. That's how you join us. Or simply put 0715213310. Thank you for your time. Have a nice one.